What we want is vigor in the blood, strength in the nerves, iron muscles, and nerves of steel, said Swami Vivekananda. With a view to spread the life-giving message of Swamiji to the youth of the nation, Arya Janani team and Ramakrishna Math Hyderabad bring to you the Great Indian Civilization Contest. It is based on the book Lectures from Colombo to Almora, which includes Swamiji's distinguished lectures after his return to India from the World Parliament of Religions. Swami Vivekananda pours his heart out in these lectures. The lectures will help the young men and women of India to empower themselves with the time-tested values of Indian civilization. There are attractive prizes waiting to be won. The first prize is rupees 2 lakh, the second prize is rupees 1.5 lakh, and the third prize is 1 lakh. The next 97 winners will win rupees 25,000 each. In addition to the first 100 prize winners, the next 50 who have been called for the interview will get books worth rupees 1,000. For more information, please visit our website www.aryajananicontest.org. We invite the youth of India to come participate and soak in the selfless and strong ideals of Swami Vivekananda. We assure you the knowledge you gain by reading the book is far more enriching than the prizes.